Alright, Chrysler, how does this come off? You fucking jerks. What's up, Wolfpack? It is the most electric man in survival entertainment, back again with another video. And we are here under my brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator because I've gone and dented the oil pan, which we're pretty sure is impinging on the uptake line for the oil pump. So we're gonna pop this oil pan off, bang out this dent, and see if we can't get it back on the road. Stay tuned. Alright, first thing we gotta do, drain the oil. For that we got a 13 mil socket. Just key point, it is friggin' cold out. Alright. Now it's too cold to wear rubber gloves, but I don't want to cover myself in oil when I'm already cold. So, here we go. Oh, for once I got it. I never get these right. I always end up with oil all over the place. Okay. We'll let that drain out. And we'll go switch the oil filter while we're waiting. I'll meet you up top. Alright, so the great thing about these JTs is that's the oil filter right there. So let's go ahead and get that out. Alright, I don't have the actual 24 millimeter socket or whatever it is for this. Shit. Alright, just pop that out. That's all it is. And there's an O-ring along here. You just take a little screwdriver like this one, pop it off and fling it off into the distance. Whoops. Whatever, it needs to go. Got our new Napa Gold filter, 100,010 or 10010. Filter just pops in place like that. Bam. Got ourselves a fancy new oil ring, so we'll just take some of the oil that I just dripped onto the fucking Jeep here. Remember those gloves I had? I don't know why I brought those. On she goes. Then I'll just run the screwdriver around underneath it. Make sure it's not kinked anywhere. Bam. Throw that back in this hole. Now we're gonna go get some shop towels because I made a fucking mess. All right, we'll tighten that back on. There we go. All right, back onto the engine. All right, I gotta try not laying oil. That might help if I use the right side. Alright, 10mm socket. Let's get to work. Ooh. Alright, now that we have the right 10mm socket, let's go about getting these bolts off. Well, alright. Now I'm going to get out of the way and pop this off and hope I don't pour oil all over the driver. Is that pry bar? Dollar store fucking cutting knife. Now we're cutting the gas. Okay. Alright, I see the problem. Here's the intake. Here's the oil pan. The oil pan pushed up against the intake. Oil pump is fine. More oil on the driver. Shit. Alright, we just got the engine oil pan dent pushed out. Michael helped. We're gonna go down to Walmart and hopefully get some fucking, what's it called? Blank. Some gasket maker, and we're gonna go get it put back on and see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, Wolfpack. I got it out. We got the dent pounded out. Now I'm just removing the gasket, and then we should be able to put it on. So, hang tight. Tim Allen used to say, more power. Hello. I got pissed. I just brought one. Alright, we got drain pan, oil pan all cleaned up, old fucking gasket off it. So now we're gonna put the new gasket on, and then we're gonna go strap it under the Jeep. That's my mechanic Mike. He does the shit I don't understand. That for fixing the underside of your house? Alright, let's go back under the Gladiator and attach this, put the bolt back in, and see what happens.
So, if you got any close to the inner section of here,
yeah,
try and pull it back so it's not going to go up in your pan.
Alright, well, apparently whoever did it the first time didn't care about that, so.
Okay.
Because I scraped a whole bunch off the inside.
Yeah, where's your razor blade? Or knife?
Come back. Touch the shit I put on it. Yeah, it's a razor. What'd you see? Right here. I got a bunch of shit on the fucking. Hold on.
Yeah, that's a fucking nightmare.
Right, it's fucking everywhere.
Should be clean enough.
So there's 12 bolts and 2 nuts over there. Grab one of the nuts.
I'll grab 2 of them.
Careful, there's black shit on the end of the tip.
Fuck it.
I bent the lip a little bit. Is that going to be a big deal?
It depends how bad.
Not very bad.
Where's that other one? Go.
This corner. I have so much foreign shit in my eyes right now.
That's good.
Where's that one?
It's finger tight already, so there you go. That's good.
Alright. Then we got a whole shitload of bolts over here.
Yeah, it looks like it should seal alright.
Yeah, it came out all around the edges, so I guess we'll find out as I tighten these in.
Oh, don't do that.
It's not my fault.
No, I mean, don't put them in with that.
Oh. Well, now you tell me.
Do it with your fingers. First thing, you'll cross thread one and you'll be fucked.
My battery's almost dead.
And then it'll leak. Oh, I gotta go to the store before it closes.
Get going. I'm good from here. Thank you for your assistance.
All around. Let me know how it pains out.
Will do.
No pun intended.
Okay, let's put the drain plug back in where the fuck that's gone. Alright, let's go pour 5 liters of 0W20 into the engine. Alright, we got Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 0W20, just like it says on here. It's fucking snowing, of course. Jesus. Fucking Hulk Hogan tightened that last time? Okay. I don't have a funnel because there was none at Walmart. So we're just going to be very, very careful. So it takes 5 quarts, which apparently works out to 5 liters according to my math. Or the oil pan. No. Alright. Well, it turned on. That's a good sign. Check engine light came back. Check the oil pressure. Yes, I know everything is cold. 33 psi. Let's rev it up and see what happens. Oh, there we go. Look at that oil pressure. I think we solved the problem. I'm going to turn this off, check underneath, pack it up, and I'll get back to you in a minute. You know, the only thing I don't like about Jeeps is no light under the hood. Luckily, we have our handy dandy Wolf Cross Adventures light. Now then, let's check the dipstick. Up you come. check, see if it's leaking underneath. Nothing. All right, let's take it for a test drive. Check engine light has cleared, but we still can't get past 3,000 RPM. Wonder if we just can't get past 3,000 RPM and drive or in park. Let's put it in neutral. All right, Wolfpack, we did it. The Gladiator is fixed. It's running back to normal. Everything is fine. So, until next time, this is Wolf Cross saying live forever, Wolf.